Hey everybody, my name is Miss T and I'm back with another video. So today's challenge, I'm actually going to be putting my life in a playlist. So I know you guys all love music just like I do. So the first song that I chose is going to be Teyana Taylor, Made It. I chose this song because I made it. You know, I graduated from high school and she talks about basically, graduating and making her mother proud. And my mom is no longer with me, so I use that as motivation for me to just keep going as a first generation college student. So the next song on my playlist is by Ashton Travis. It's called Casino. In this song, he just basically talks about getting out of here, taking a trip, and just doing something different. And it resonates with me because I love to travel. I love to, see new places, and that's just what I like to do. So guys, the last song that I chose for my playlist is Savage by Megan Thee Stallion, which I feel like everybody knows because TikTok blew it up. In this song, she talks about being a savage, being classy, being bougie, and knowing when to be a little bit of ratchet. So I feel like this resonates with me because those are things that I'd explain when it comes to myself. So guys, that was my playlist. You can leave your playlist down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks, bye-bye.